I wanted to go over some assembly tips on this shelf and then do a quick review. So this shelf is packaged better than some of the other shelves I have purchased. Be careful while cutting the tape not to scratch the shelf with a knife. Once you do open the box unfolds, allowing easy access to the shelf. Everything is well packaged and a lot of thought was put into the packaging to avoid damage. The legs are zip tied to the shelves. Some of the zip ties may break during shipping. This has happened on several shelves I have tested. This doesn't mean that you got a used product. On the bottom shelf, you have separate baggies of sleeves for each shelf and 2 extra. Also included are the assembly instructions. First, unpack all the legs. You have 3 parts to each leg, 1 bottom with an adjustable base, 1 middle, and 1 top with a cap. Be aware the cap might slip off as you're unpacking, so just check inside the baggie. I put the legs together right away, which was not the right move. It would have been better to just add leg parts as I add the shelves. The sleeves that go on the legs and hold up the shelves have arrows pointing the way up, and the shelf will have a larger opening on one side and a smaller opening on the other. I checked this ahead of time to know which way is up for the shelves. So what I like to do then is attach 4 of the sleeves to the legs and line up the legs so I know for sure the first shelf will be level. Once I know all that, I put the first shelf on its side and slide the legs in from the bottom. This would have been easier if I didn't have the leg fully assembled. Once all 4 legs were slid through, I flipped it right side up. From here on, it gets very simple. You either count the notches on the legs or use a tape measure to get the shelves at the exact distance you want. Attach 4 sleeves and slide on the next shelf from the top and then repeat. The great part about these types of shelves, if you ever need to rearrange the shelf sizes, you just lift one up and secure it to the shelf above, and you can adjust the sleeves and then drop it back down into its new position. So my thoughts on this shelf are it's not a heavy duty shelf, but it doesn't claim to be. Each shelf holds up to 133 pounds and the total max weight is 660. But this is a great light duty shelf at a good price. Great for light duty storage such as pantry or laundry room, and it's super easy to assemble.